This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be working on reading some melodies together that are written in tablature notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series. Of course, as we're playing those melodies, we'll be jamming right along with the band track that I've created for this video. So it'll be you, me, and the band jamming on these songs. It's going to be so great. This video does accompany the Tablature book from my method book series. In the book, we'll be starting on page 73. We'll be on pages 73, 74, and 75, playing songs 98 through 102. Each one of these songs is going to happen twice per our usual format in this lesson series. The first time it'll be at a slower tempo, and the next time it'll be at a faster tempo. So you can work on the songs at two different tempos, and if both of those tempos are a little too fast, then as I've often mentioned, you're going to want to pause the video, work out the parts that are difficult, and then try and work up your speed on playing those parts till you can play it right along with the track. But it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and jam on these melodies together. Okay, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. As we continue through the lesson series, we're just going to keep making our way through these melodies in the Tablature book. It's going to be great. So I'll see you in that next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.